Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. This is one of my favorite go-to essential oils from doTERRA, the Citrus Bliss. Sometimes I just need a little pick-me-up in the day, something to cheer me up a little bit, and so that is why I like this particular blend. It has citrus-type smells to it, so it's not strong and overpowering like it has Mandarin, wild orange, tangerine. This oil I carry around with me all the time. I keep it in my purse. You can put it in a diffuser if you want. You can just rub it on your skin. I prefer to use essential oils instead of using perfumes. And then this way, if I'm around other people, they won't feel overpowered by the smell. Plus, it's a very positive, energizing type of smell. So if you're looking for a little pick-me-up, this is a really good essential oil. I like how they're pure. doTERRA is really good, known for their brand. And if you're looking for something to replace perfumes and to give you a positive feel, this is definitely the oil. It's my favorite and my go-to, and that is just my point of view.